Well, that's what you think. You're not the police. I know the police. You're not the police. Well, I'm sorry, but excuse me if I'm wrong. Well,
What he will do, he would try and calm the situation. And obviously, don't lose that. Look, buddy, I think
Pete, next time, seriously, next time, Pete, right? When you come across a situation like this, right? Just as soon as you take it, just move on. Because Pete, the problem you don't understand, this is a reality for us every day. You kidding me? Shops, work, everywhere. Mate, if I tell you what I do for a living, you will not believe, but people treat me like a criminal. So he's at uni, he's not even where I am. He's going to get to where I am and still experience the same thing. What? Because the reason why is that he probably, listen, I know this for a fact, right? Because I've been through that, so I've been going through stuff. He's facing stuff where people see him as a criminal every day. He gets this kind of attitude. So if you could imagine, seriously, Pete, you're just one human being. You're not the majority of society. Our society is full of people like that. So you can understand the way he's reacting.
yeah. Well, I'm a little bit surprised, but anyway.
Well, you have to.
As long as he's not going to think he's not a person who looks at the